How to add spacer in Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add spacer in Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, select the sites that you want to add the spacer to. So as you selected it, by the top part of the site screen, you'll see the edit option. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the editor's page. Now on this page, the next thing for you to do is to select the site where you want to add a spacer to. So select the session that you want to add the spacer to. Once you've selected the session and you've selected the place where you want the spacer to be, by the right side of the screen you'll see a box showcasing edit session, duplicate, save session, etc. Just click on edit section. Once you've done that, you will take it to the formats page. Now on this page you would see gap, right? You would see three dots here, and then once you see these three dots, for you to edit this page, just uh long press on this and move it this way. As you can see, as you're moving it, the space is increasing. Same thing for the other side. Just long press on it and then move it, and then the space would move as you do that. Okay, you can see the space is increasing and getting bolder. Then once you've done that and you want a space in between where you can see sister's place and this background, just come down to height here and then select large. Then next to large there are three dots here, just click on it, and here you can now work more on the spacing by moving it this way. As you can see, the space is increasing. So this is the basic way of how we can add spacer in Squarespace. Note that if you are not using the free plan, that is if you've upgraded your plan to a paid plan, because currently I am on a trial mode, I'm using a free plan. If you upgraded it, you would need to come to this place to use this spacer. You will see the option on your screen where you can just increase it. Once you increase it, the spacer will appear and there will be enough space between the writings such as you desire. So this is how you can add spacer in Squarespace. Thanks for watching.